Hello, beautiful people. Future me. Welcome to another programming workout of mine. And today we will be, besides the typing, doing Java tutorial. Alright, let's get into it. Typing.io is my weapon of choice when it comes to the typing exercise. And we will start with that. Apparently with Scala, we will go from there. So start the timer, let's go. %, that's not bad. Okay, and we are out of the time, so we will open Java Playground project in our IntelliJ. This window, please. And I believe we are doing it on tutorials point, yep. So, and the next thing is date and time I'm still doing. That's okay. So I'll stop this timer, start the Java timer. Here we go. And I don't see date, so date and time, it's over here. Here we go. Okay, date and time, and then the thing was conversion characters. Okay, so we can search for maybe we cannot conversion. Here we go. Oh, come on. Cool. Why? If I do enter, then I do. I don't know what happened in there. So we'll open the previous time, which is date and time. Is it which? Oh, okay, so this is okay. Just run it for funsies. Maybe. Okay. And what we did last time. Date definition, date time, yeah. Simply date print for date and time conversion characters. So those are these, and how can I use them? There are auto useful classes related to time and date. What is this? Maybe it's the printf. Might try that. So complete date and time. Okay, we'll try that. Maybe it's that. It will be printf. And oh crap. That. We'll go here and this is slow. And it is date time conversion characters. Okay. And then we will have a set. And we can, oh, that will be not south, it will be so thing. And we will say what it was C, I think. Switch the window. C complete. Okay, and then we will provide the date now, right? Now, like such. Let's see what it does. We have a problem. The problem is C is not equal to Java util date. Okay, so this might be not how you do that. So it's the C, like time C, maybe. C, this is how it works. Yeah, that looks like that's the thing. Okay, and here we will just do south println, and here we will do line as well. And next thing is so as it was capital, or yeah, it was capital F. This one should say something. Yeah, that's just okay. Maybe I can note it here like this will be C space. This will be capital F. Like so. What next? D. Okay. D. We can have a look so that apply changes and restart activity. Huh, interesting. And I want you to be on top. Presentation assistant. Sys. Here we go. And you will be on top. Okay. Yeah, so this is the day, no, month, day, year. It's my least favorite time format. Okay, T, it's the, so that will be, if I do replace D with T, go, go. Oh, here we go. That works quite nice. That will be just time. Then we will have the next thing, which will be R. That is 12 hours. Nonsensical thing. Replace. We want T with R. Skip, skip. Do match case. Okay. Replace, replace. Okay, so this is the 24 hours time and the small t, small r. Where does it come from? Letters doesn't make sense to me. Time r? I don't know. So we have this guy. R. Big R is 24 hours, no seconds. That makes no sense. Okay. Duplicate, and we will replace capital R, or no, small r with big R, and skip, 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 do. Okay. Okay. Y, that's the 4-digit year, of course it is. So Y, no. Go back. Capital R with capital Y, but we don't want those two, we want those two. That will be just here. And small y, last digits of the year. This makes sense to me. The capital Y is the big year, small y. That makes sense. Now what is next? Small y. Okay. duplicate, replace y with y, go. Then we have capital C. Okay, replace y with capital C, and skip, replace, and run again. And but the date 20. What about date first? I will do the date first. That will be 17, I think. Or 19. 1979 it was, right? So we will replace yep, like so. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Date 2. So let's create some good date. So we will say new date, and what is the constructor? What does it take? Year, month, date. It just says long date. Okay, so I will say this, extract it to this occurrence only, and it will be good date, and we will say good date set. Oh my god, I cannot do the set hours, minutes, month, and such things. What is the proper way to set time now, huh? New Java setting date. I guess. Those are some milliseconds, like one date, new date, date initially, set time. Oh, so we are using calendar now, I guess. What they're saying, nothing. So we have calendar get instance, then see on set month, date, year, and then okay. So we'll do that. That's okay. So we will create a new calendar. And this one I'll create, and this will be Good. Calendar. What's the matter with you? Abstract cannot be instantiate. What do you do? Calendar get instance. Okay, so calendar get instance then. There get instance. Okay. Now we will set the properties, and that is set, and then we say, okay, so we'll start with a year and go from there. So good calendar set, and we will say calendar dot year, and the second parameter will be 9084, and here we will set month, that will be 5th. Date might be, does it say date, year, month, date, yeah. So 3, and then we will have, can we set another thing? Like the time. Got calendar set, what are the options? Date, AM, April, August, December, hour, okay. Hour, minute, second. Let's do that. So we will do hour will be 10, second 11, and so on. So we will say we go from the, so say hour, it will be 10. Now we will say minute, and that one will be what did I set, 11, and then the second will be 12. Sounds good to me. Okay, and here we will say good calendar go get time, and it returns date. Oh, so that's cool. Or maybe I can just assign it to it, right? Yeah. So we will delete you, and we will say good calendar dot get date or get time. Get time returns date. Why is it not get date? I don't know. Also, I'll save it, and then we will replace all of the date first with good date. Yeah, and we start replacing this one too. Okay, cool. Now it's much better. And we ended up at the C. Okay. C is 2 digits to first B full month name. Okay. So C with B. Go. So that will be June 3rd. June is not the 5th day. That's weird. fifth month. Maybe I need to do it like less. Yeah, so it starts with a 0, I guess. So I do 4. Hmm. And the hour 10 is PM. That's interesting. Okay, so well, now it is May. It is Thursday. Thursday, May. And I want to fix the hour. Okay, so we will have a look at the Java calendar. Just this. And this, this, and this is kind of big, isn't it? Calendar, fields resolution, year, week, field manipulation. Calendar class in Java, hour. It's only here, okay. Da 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 da. 2 years, add calendar year 2. Oh, this is how you add some things. You can play with it. So we have our, what else we have? Hour of day. Okay. Comment what is it running? I did press it, it's still there. Okay, hour of day says 22. Again, no, it's still confused. Okay, it didn't run yet. Now it says 10. Okay, so hour of the day. So that works. And this is not full name of that. B full month and smaller b. Okay, so now I'm curious how it will do. So I will replace b with small b. And what you will do now? It will get me full name of the month. What you will do? It's the same freaking thing. Okay, and why is this highlighted? Because I was replacing it. Okay, BM, two-digit month, leading with zeros. Okay, I can dig that. So B with M, just replace, go. There's a lot of them. D. D. M is, yep, that guy. DE, two-digit leading with without leading the zeros. Okay, so that will be E, right? Yeah. D with E. replace. A full weekday. Okay, so that should be Thursday, right? I'll go back. What are you doing? Duplicate. I tried to do duplicate, but weird. And that was a replace D with capital A as that and that. Okay. So we have now two D's. I have two D's. What is after D? E. I didn't replace the D. Okay. So we do that. D with E. Do it. Goodbye. Run it. And we are out of the time. Okay. I'm not sure if that will be that useful to get through all of this. Maybe it will be. Okay, so we end up at something, what it was, A. Okay, so time to go to the MD file. And conversion characters. And here, so the last thing we did was capital A, which was full, so we will go in this abbreviated weekday name section. And there are some unnecessary things, so this for example. Yep. Okay, much better. Okay, so that's what we did today in Java. How exciting! Well, not worry. That's the way how it is sometimes. So time chapter in progress number 3. I'll commit and push right away. Yep, push. Okay, so this timer says we are over the time limit, which means we are done. Done is better than perfect, and I will see you next time. Bye.